Welcome to Caching Waves. This is an Elliott Wave update for Bitcoin. Now in this video, I'm going to go from the daily time frame all the way down to the micro time frames. But if you're new here, this is the YouTube schedule. I cover the assets Monday to Friday. If you want more updates more often or something different covered, I do have a private Discord membership link in the description. So let's start out on the daily. Now from the low at 15,476, have this as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete. Now things important to note, our third wave target for our third wave, taken from the beginning of wave 1 off of wave 2, our expected target was the 1.618 extension. We came up shy of that, which leaves us open to the possibility of getting a extended fifth wave to the upside. Now, our common target here for our wave 5, if we just get the 1-to-1, is the extension of wave 1, taken off the end of wave 4, which is up at 115,164. Now, the pivot I'm taking from is this level down here, and I'll show you why in the smaller time frames. Also, our range for our fifth wave is between the 200 and the 2.236 extension of wave 1 off of wave 2. This is a rough area between 99,913, 117,713. But we will hone in as we dissect these smaller and smaller time frames. Another important thing to note, we came just shy of the 382 for our wave 4. We do have nice separation for our third wave, and our pitchfork is being respected. Originally, we were looking for the top end of this base channel to hold our wave 4 or the center, which we did, and we've come back into our channel. So we'll see if we end up hitting right on our center of our channel, or if we end up extending to the upside. All right, let's get down to the smaller time frames. I have a couple counts on here. The important one to pay attention to is our WXY. This is how I have us completing. There's a lot of altcoins as well that completed this way. That is that we have a zigzag X and we ended our Y in a triangle. So the start of our count starts from 57,493. That's the important thing to note. So from here, I'm going to switch to the Blowfin chart. This is where I have my micro updates. So off the low of our triangle, I have this as a diagonal wave 1 and 2 to the upside. There are other ways to count this as a 1, 2, 1, 2. But currently the diagonal is respecting our fib extensions the most, which is why it is my primary. And the difference between a 1, 2, 1, 2 and just a 1, 2 will be an extra 4, 5 down in the future. So those will be adjusted if needed. So off our 1 and 2, we had another 1, 2 and another 1, 2. 3 1 2s back to back, go down to the hourly. So off our first 1, 2, had a wave 1, 2, 5 waves up for our third. We had a nice triangle for our wave 4th, although we truncated this E wave a little bit and came up to our fifth wave of the third in blue target, which you can see was our zone right over here. Now after this, looking for a few different patterns, we were in it within a fourth wave in blue. Saw this as either making a triangle. We'll see if we get that before getting our fifth wave to the upside. We also have our B zone up here. Want to hit at least 90% before considering a flat as an ABC before our fifth wave to the upside. Or if we come up even higher, we can make even a running flat, which means we make a higher B wave and we hold this E wave before we make our fifth wave to the upside. So this was a no trade zone. I let the members know that in the Discord. The only trade that was available for that was between the 236 and the 382, stop just past the 50, only targeting that fifth wave. Otherwise, if you're trading within this, when we can get a flat, a triangle, many different things, you're just going to get whipped around and stopped out. So this is the only trade that I would have taken in this area. We can see the buy zone. Now, right now, I just have the extension of wave 1 off of the wave 4 low here. That target is at 100,017, but that can change based if we get, say, a triangle or a flat, because I'd have to re-pull where this target wave will end this correction. Right now, it's just off the low of the 4. So we'll have to leave a little bit more information. You can also see we are respecting our base channel currently. Covered right off the low end. That's taken from the beginning of wave 1 off of wave 2, extended off of wave 3 right now. And hopefully our 5th wave here either comes off the top of it or somewhere in the middle. We'll have to wait and see. So there's our 3rd wave in yellow, target at 99,697. Right now our blue wave 5 is at 100,017. And you can see our range here we expect taken all the way back from wave 1 and 2. So everything's lining up ideal. After that, I expect a nice sideways consolidation for our wave 4 before our final 5th wave up within the 5th. And during this time, I expect alts to perform very well. We'll see if that holds true. All right, guys, if you want more often updates or different coins, I have a private membership Discord, first link in the description. It's cashingwaves.com. And under that, you also get an exclusive Blowfin link that gives you a $300 deposit bonus as well as a 20% rebate on trading fees for life. So the idea there is the Blowfin link there for the 20% rebate should pay for the membership itself if you're a semi-active trader, and that's good for life if you don't like the membership. If you just want to sign up and get the bonus on YouTube, you get up to $300 bonus as well as 5% rebate for life. All right, guys, so check out the Discord link in the description, and I'll see you over there.